Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will make a full review of InVideo platform. Now let's get started with the pre-made templates. Let's search for example for gym, any topic you want. Choose the aspect ratio. And let's go to editing. First of all, let's start with some platform features and tools. First one is media. We can search for free movies, videos, photos we can use in our video. And also music. There is dozens of free music you can use, or you can import from your own. There's also text animation we can add to the video. And also the platform has some free cool stickers you can use in your video. Also effects, shapes, and you can upload your own photos and videos. So now let's add the logo. This logo we want to use in our video. To put a logo inside the video, just drag and drop inside and choose add as a layer. Resize it, move it, and go to the layer option. You see all the object layers. Delete, edit. You can add filters, rotation, animation, and much more. You can choose animation in place or out. You can change the duration of the animation. Drag, drop, add as a layer, move, resize, go to layer studio, delete unwanted layers and objects, add text, and now let's go to change colors. There's a template, brand, and also you can change from custom. Whatever you change will apply on your video. So this is just the basic of editing. The more time you spend, the more time you will learn, practice to use this software on your computer or on your iPad. Now let's go to another type of video or tablet we can add. Let's go to move to article videos. Now let's go to blanket template. It's similar to the pre-made, but there's no any scene, no anything. You just build your own scenes. You will depend on your uploads, on your documents. You will just upload 2 videos, mix them to each other, add logo, add some type of link, add some type of photos and videos, and that's it. Just the more practice the more time you spend and practice, you will get better and better, and will make a professional video for your business or for your own. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to get your discount from the link in the description.